Hi, today we are going to discuss about Astah UML, a UML modeling tool. Astah UML is a powerful and user-friendly UML modeling tool developed by Change Vision, a company based in Japan. UML is a standardized modeling language used in software engineering for visualizing, specifying, constructing, and documenting the artifacts of a software system. Astah UML provides various features to create UML diagrams, make it easier for software developers and analysts to design and communicate their ideas effectively. It received the Software Product of the Year 2006 prize established by Information Technology Promotion Agency in Japan. Astah UML. Astah UML is a software tool used for visual modeling of software systems using the unified modeling languages. UML is a standardized modeling language in the field of software engineering and used for visualizing, as we already discussed. It helps software developers and analysts design and communicate their systems effectively. Astah UML offers support for different UML diagrams, including class diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram, state chart diagram, component diagram, and deployment diagram. Class diagram representing classes and their relationships in the system. Use case diagrams describing system functionalities from users' perspectives. Sequence diagram illustrating interactions between objects in a sequential manner. Activity diagram displaying workflows and activities within a system. State diagrams modeling states and state transitions of objects. Component diagrams showing components and their relationships in a system. Deployment diagram represents the deployment of a component in a system. Astah UML provides features such as code generation, allowing users to generate code from their UML diagrams, adding in the software development process. It also supports reverse engineering, enabling users to visualize existing code as UML diagrams. The tool offers a collaborative environment, allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. It also helps in creating comprehensive documentation of the software design and architecture. Astah UML has a user-friendly interface, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced software developers. It supports customization, allowing users to define their templates, style, and diagram elements. The tool integrates well with other development tools and platforms and is compatible with various file formats, facilitating easy import and export of diagrams. Overall, Astah UML is a versatile and powerful tool used by software professionals for UML modeling, code generation, and system documentation, aiding in the software development lifecycle. Next, the advantages of using Astah UML were user-friendly interface, as it is very easy to use. It supports various UML diagrams, like as we discussed, class diagram, use case diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram, and so on. Code generation. Astah UML offers several advantages that make it a popular choice for software developers. One of the significant features of Astah UML is its ability to generate code from UML diagrams. This functionality bridges the gap between design and implementation, allowing you to translate your visual models directly into code, saving time and reducing the likelihood of errors during manual coding. Reverse engineering. Astah UML can reverse engineer existing code into UML diagrams. This is invaluable when you need to understand and document legacy systems or collaborate on projects where the initial design documentation might be lacking. Then collaboration and teamwork, comprehensive documentation, you can document your work. It's customizable and it has extensibility support. You can integrate your system. It is very compatible. Active community, it has user community and support. 24 into user-centric support. Next, when to use Astah UML. Astah UML can be effectively used in various stages of the software development lifecycle and in different scenarios. Here are some situations when you might consider using Astah UML. Software design and architecture. When in the need of designing and architecturing your ideas, you can go with the Astah UML. Requirements analysis and collaborative development, code generation. If you want to speed up the development process and reduce the chances of errors during manual coding, Astah UML code generation feature can be incredibly useful. Generate code from your UML diagrams to kickstart the implementation phase. Next, reverse engineering. When dealing with existing code bases, use Astah UML reverse engineering capabilities. Importing code into UML diagrams helps in understanding and documenting the structure of legacy systems or third-party libraries. Then system documentation, education and learning, prototyping and mockups, software documentation and communication. Here are some diagrams I used to work with in Astah UML. Let me share you the Astah UML software tool. Here is the Astah UML software tool you can work with. You can import any diagram. For example, class diagram. Here I have imported a class diagram. I have created a class diagram for a customer ordering some menu in Cloud Kitchen. You can directly import a class. You can add your attributes. You can add the operations. In this class diagram, the customer selects the menu item. The kitchen handling the menu item. Kitchen also manages chef one who prepares the order for customer. We have various components like classes, packages, subsystems, association, association class, generalization, realization, dependency, interface, entity, boundary, control, instance specification, link, note anchor, text box, rectangle, line, freehand. You can import your image. These are the various components supported in class diagram model in Astah UML. Let me switch to use case diagram. Here is a simple use case diagram for Cloud Kitchen where customer can register, customer can view offers, customer can search for food items, customer can search kitchen, customer can place order, and finally customer can make payment. Admin who can add kitchen and modify kitchen in the system, chef who prepares the order, kitchen one who updates the menu items for customers, delivery partner one who delivers the order to the customer. Here we have various components like actor, use case, package, subsystem, association, extend, include, generalization, dependency, entity, boundary. These are the various components used in use case diagram in Astah UML. Let me switch to activity diagram. Here is an activity diagram for selecting food items in Cloud Kitchen. Customer can log in, customer can view item, select quantity. If the item is available, customer can eligible to place the item and confirm the quantity. This is port and this is join. These are the components used in activity diagram. Partitioning, vertical partitioning, horizontal partitioning, initial node, which is start, and activity final, which is end, then control flow, decision node, port node, join node. These are the various components used in activity diagram. Then the use sequence diagram. Sequence diagram has lifeline, synchronous message, asynchronous message, reply message, destroy message, or the combined fragment interaction use. Here is a simple sequence diagram for selecting the food item. Customer can view the menu item. For the alternative case, customer select item and quantity. Then the item is added to the cart. Customer can able to view in add cart system. Then customer can place the order. Then the reply method would be print receipt of order. Then we can import component diagram. Then we have deployment diagram as various packages like node instance. Then we have component. Then we have realization, interface, dependency. These are the various components basically used in deployment diagram. Then in component diagram, we have component, path-hole. Then we have connector, we have port, interface, provided interface, required interface, dependency. These are the various components supported in component diagram. It is very easy to use for beginners and it has various benefits like customization. You can import your file in any file format. It is basically used to implement your ideas into unified modeling language diagrams. So beginners, it would be very useful for beginners. Thank you.